12:50 p.m. Just out here playing the waiting game for a minute. Might not, man, sounds of aircraft up high, just non-stop. Well, alright, now more background noise, of course. Great timing for what I am listening for a small engine aircraft, as well as monitoring the skies for sounds. Of overhead flights. Yeah, there's a lot of aircraft up in the sky right now, above the clouds, or intermingled within. But with the chainsaw in the background, I'm not, I cannot focus in on the small engine aircraft, which I feel is going to come over any time. It's too bad I could not capture one of these jet aircrafts, but well. Yeah, I can hear yet another one. Well, got another one that's passing overhead right now. Oh well. Failed attempt. Maybe I ought to turn off the airplane mode. Yeah, I've been having nothing but issues with signals today. So I decided to shut off all connections for a while. And I turned on the airplane mode. Can't see any airplanes now. 1:10 p.m. Well, upon review of my previous recordings there, yeah, I still have airplane mode on, so we are not seeing anything. But I guess what I am supposed to point out is the sun. To notice how small it was appearing until I zoomed in on it. Very small in size, seemingly very, very far away. The reality of the size of that light. Swallows are flying very high today. Like I said, well, no, you weren't there. I made a recording from out in the woods earlier. I deleted that recording, as all the activity of birds, squirrels, cicadas, all seemingly very high within the branches of the trees. Yeah, we got aircraft that are just non-stop flying overhead. There's when I first started recording, there was the sounds of a rumbler that had went by. There, once again, is the sounds of a rumbler up overhead. Man, we got these swallows. I hope I said swallows and not, well, and not sparrows. Oh, look at this. Way over here, we have like a glow up, if you will. The sun's location is over here. So yeah, I guess I was supposed to point that out. And not really the factor of focusing in on any types of aircraft. There's always a reason, purpose for my recording. Sometimes though, like I said, I let those just pass on by and I will go ahead and delete just because I am not satisfied with the outcomes or results of said recordings. And I did have recordings of interest, nature related. An update on the mushrooms or toadstools out in the woods, which are not looking good at all. I was trying to target either a red-headed woodpecker or a pileated woodpecker. I did capture it, but not very good. So, I was not too pleased with the outcomes or results thereof, and deleted. This one came close to it until I decided, okay, maybe I am supposed to point out the factor of the sun and the size seen through all this filtration. And still waiting on precipitation, as they stated that we could get hit this afternoon. Oh, there we go. Yeah, these swallows are all over the place once again. Winds are and have been, well, moderately breezy. I can see some swaying back in here. Okay, enough observations of basically nothing. I'll go ahead and toss this together and throw it on the platform. Skylights out.